Hey folks, in this video I will show you how to install Minecraft shaders in Windows. To install Minecraft shaders, first you need to install the Java in your PC. If you want to check if the Java already installed in your machine or not, you can go to command prompt and type Java C command. So if you don't have Java installed in your machine, you will see something like this. Otherwise, you will see there are it will load like kind of bunch of options. So with the new Minecraft version, I think it's better to install Java version 21 for install the shaders. So if you have like another Java version, I recommend you to uninstall it and install the Java version 21. So let's see how to install Java. So first go to web browser and type Java 21 free JDK download and go to this website, and you can see there are like kind of bunch of options. So in here you can just, you can download Java using this option. So I'm going to download it. Make sure you download the Java version 21. Okay, now my Java version is downloaded, so let me install it. So now Java is installed in this PC, so let's go and check it's working or not. Type Java C command in the command prompt. You can see it load bunch of options, and if you want to check the version, you can type Java version. You can see this Java version is 21.0.4. So now we are ready to download the Minecraft shader. So go to the search for Irish Minecraft. So this is basically the mode that support us to install the shader. So click download now and click download universal jar, and it will download the jar file. So now search for Minecraft shaders, and you can use any of these website to download the Minecraft shader. So I'm going to download the shaders using this mod print website. If you go to here, you can see there are kind of bunch of shaders here. So I'm going to download BSL shaders and go to versions, and you can see this is the latest version. So click this download button. Now it downloaded. So if you click this download button, it will show like a bunch of options to select like game version. So I downloaded it for my latest game version. So if you want to check the your Minecraft game version, go to Minecraft launcher and check this game version. So you can see here my game version is 1.21.4, but if you want uh, if you want to install all the game version, you can go here and click new installation, and you can select the game version you want to install and install the shader. So for now I will go with this version, and now it downloaded, and now if I now first you need to install the Irish. So I click this, right click on this and click open it, and select Java, and I select this game version Iris only, and I select this option Iris class Fabric. So Fabric is another mod in Minecraft, and click install. Okay, download complete. So now if I go to Minecraft launch again. So first of all, go to installation and create a new installation. So I'm going to create new installation for this Minecraft mod. You can select this one when creating the new installation and click install. So now go to options, video settings, shader packs, and click open shader pack folder. And copy and paste this downloaded shader to this folder. And if you have any other shaders, make sure to copy and paste those shaders to here as well. And then open again the Minecraft, and now go to options, video settings, shader packs, and click shader pack settings. So you can select these options. Change the settings as you want here. And then go to single player and play Minecraft. And as you can see, now shader is loaded. Now it looks really nice compared to vanilla shaders. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment. I will try to help you. And if you find this video is helpful, make sure to subscribe and like the video. So see you guys in the next video.